Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with all of you some question which I think is a very important related to the exams. The question first question is that under which rules these all questions related to order 1 of CPC. So which rule in which the court give the order for separate trial if the joinder of the defendant are embarrassed or delay trial. Under which rule? This is rule 2, rule 6, rule 8A, or rule 3A. Another question is that under which rule the court the court can court give the power of the court. Which rule define the power of the court? Order 1 rule you can find out. I am giving you the option: rule 3A, rule 8A, rule 11, rule 2. Third question is that under which rule the court give the permission to a body or to a part of bodies to give the opinion or to take the part of the proceeding. That is 3A, 6, 7, or 8A. Another question is that which rule related to the Contract Act? Rule 4, rule 13, and rule 6, or rule 2. You can find out. Okay. Another question is that under which subclause rule the petitioner can file a separate suit related to the question of law or the fact arising out of. Under which rule? Rule 9, rule 7, rule 3A, or rule 1. You can find out. So try to find your right options and give me the answer in my comment box. I will be happy to practice with me, and always stay confident and stay positive. One day we will achieve our dream. Bye.